Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're diving into the myEcon 2025 global launch and what you need to prepare for right now as we are literally just days away. You can see the countdown timer here at the time of this video. It's just 3 days away from the global launch. So yes, Friday at midnight. And I'm going to give you a couple hints, little tips, some things that you could do to get early access. So first off, what you guys are looking at right here, I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek of our team's exclusive global sales funnel. So yeah, that's right. We actually already have the sales funnel built. This is 100% ready to go for you. So the moment you get started with myEcon, whether you're here in the States or you're overseas, you are going to get access to this sales page and this sales funnel. It comes to you exclusively inside of our app. Now, if you are unaware of what our team does, what we do, how we're the largest and fastest growing team inside of myEcon, a lot of links in the descriptions down below here in this video. Okay, so you're going to see my full overview. I take you through the over $11,000 in free value we give you just for activating your myEcon membership. That link is down below. Okay. What you're also going to get access to as part of that is this sales page right here. So we have the countdown timer set up right here. I'm going to leave this sales funnel in the description down below. So what you're going to be able to do, okay, this is key. Not only can you go see the sales funnel for yourself, but if you are overseas, pay close attention. If you are overseas, you are going to be able to bookmark this sales funnel down below. You'll be able to open up the link, whatever browser you're in, whatever device you're on. Okay, you can bookmark this link and save this. So Friday at midnight, you guys can literally lock in right here and get in live. Okay, you can get in right the moment that we have this page available. Because right now, this button that says, yes, I want to copy paste profit, that does not go to the proper sign up link. It won't give you access to the right checkout page. But come Friday, it will. So that's why you want to bookmark that link. But this page is 100% set up. We got testimonials on here. We got step-by-step exactly what people do. And this is mapped out in the sales video as well. It's a really great sales video. It's going to convert really, really well. All of the major value that we get, what you get access to as a global member right there. Okay. So everything is 100% ready to go. From a sales funnel standpoint, the only thing that's missing is the link right here, but you guys can obviously see the countdown timer. We're getting very, very close. Now, other information you need to know in order to prepare right now for this global launch. Okay, if you're here in the States, okay, this is just an absolute no-brainer. If you're here in the States, link in the description down below, lock yourself in. I don't care what level you choose, whether it's the 100, the 45, the 25, just get yourself locked in, pick a level, hit the link right down there. It literally will say get started here. Get yourself in before the global launch. Now, why is this important for you right now? Because we're going to be driving traffic to the global sales rotator. You can get into the sales rotator in our team training site. We're going to be driving a lot of traffic to it and we're going to be sharing your link for you during this global launch. So if you want maximum exposure to your affiliate link and the chance to increase your sales, then you're going to want to get in before the global launch. Okay. Now, if you're overseas, let's say you're in a different country, you're in, it doesn't really matter, South Africa, UK, Germany, anywhere, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, doesn't matter. Link in the description down below. Make sure that you get on my launch list. Now, another safety measure, little safety precaution you can take to ensure that you know 100% you will be notified the moment that global goes live, which is again this Friday at midnight, to make sure that you are 100% notified. You can be on the launch list. This link is in the description down below. The other thing that you can do, again, link in the description down below, a lot of links down below, I told you, okay, is also my live webinar. Okay, you can go right here to this webinar. There's a couple of key things that you can ensure 100% that you are in the best position possible for the myEcon global launch. Okay, couple things. Getting on my email list, right? Already talked about that. Number 2, right here, hit this link. Okay, again, in the description down below. You're going to pull up this page. Okay, this is where I'm going live. This is literally the exact place that I'm going live at midnight on Friday for the global launch. Okay, you can, number 1, you can like this video. More specifically, there's a couple other things you can do. You can subscribe to the channel. You can also hit that bell icon, and that's going to get you notified by YouTube. You're going to be sent an email by YouTube the moment I go live. The other thing that you could do right here on this video is you could click right here where it says notify me. So that means you're also going to ensure that 100% you will be in the know. If you can get on my email list, come to this link here that you see on your screen. You subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, hit that notify. You will 1000% be in the know for the myEcon 2025 global launch. But the clock is ticking, my friend, and I'm literally getting messages every single day. People that are, eagerly, very, very eagerly awaiting this global launch, and we are getting closer and closer by the minute here. So by the time you watch this video, if it is before Friday at midnight, links in the description down below. Do yourself a favor, big, huge favor. Pick a level, lock in. If you're here in the States, lock in, get yourself in there. We're going to be driving a lot of traffic to our sales rotators to help you out. Also, if you're overseas, okay, make sure you follow those steps. Get on my launch list. Bookmark this, this page, hit the links, go bookmark the live video, get notified, all of those sort of good things. During the live itself, as we are launching live at midnight on Friday itself, I will be right here live on my channel, and I will be plugging you in. Anyone that's getting started with me live during that launch period, I will be plugging you into my sales rotator live. I will be showing you this on camera. We will be shouting out the people that are in my sales rotator getting sales, okay? Meaning everyone that's going to be joining live during the launch is all going to be joining through my sales rotator, my personal sales rotator. And as a matter of fact, I'll even show you where it's going to be. You're going to see a link, okay? And it's going to be right here where it says coming soon. You're going to go to this page. You're going to click that button that says coming soon, except during the launch, it's going to say live, okay? You're going to click that button. That is my sales rotator link, meaning anyone that's joining live, they're going to get plugged in live, okay? And I'm going to be helping people make sales live. The question is, do you want to be part of that process? Do you want me to help you literally make sales live, okay? So that's why this is so important. That's why I'm going over all of these steps with you in these videos. There's been a lot of videos over the last couple of days here on my channel where I'm just walking you through exactly how to best be prepared for this launch. So you get all the information, you get it in real time, you can get in, and I'm telling you right now, the sooner you can get in, the better. So if you're there live with me right at midnight, you will be in the best possible position. I know, midnight, live, Friday, you could be out like partying or doing your thing, or maybe you're sleeping. I don't even know. This is worth staying up for, my friends. And trust me, if I'm going to, go out here and, I have plans on Friday, I have plans on Saturday, I'm still squeezing this in. Trust me, my friend, this is where the magic is going to happen. This is where you want to be only if you want to be in the best position possible to get into that rotator, because who knows, like I'm leaving you in the rotator. I'm not taking people out of the rotator. I'm literally leaving you in there. So you could end up getting literally multiple sales. And like I showed you in another video, okay, I'll do it right now. Okay. I'm going to go over here to my contacts list. Okay. And I'm going to show you guys right now. Okay. 379 in another video I just did. This was less. So we increased overnight, right? This list is growing. These are the people that are on this global launch list right here. These are the people that are literally on that list, almost 400 people. This will be up over 400 people by the time we go live. So plain and simple, my friend, we have a lot of people that are waiting in the wings right now to sign up. And think about that. If there's 400 people on that list, let's be real. Like, are all 400 people going to get live, with me on midnight? Probably not. But I would say a good high percentage of those people are going to be joining over the next 24 hours once we go live. And if you get into the rotator, I mean, those are hundreds and hundreds of sales that are going to come in. If you're in the rotator, you could be getting a portion of those sales. Do you want to make money? Do you want me to help you get sales? Simple question, right? So you guys know exactly what to do. Right down below this video, okay? Whatever device you're on, go down below this video right now. If you're here in the States, get started, okay? If you're not in the States, get on my launch list. Whether you're in the States or you're not, you can go to my live video, That link is in the description down below as well. A lot of links down there. I know. Okay. You can come right here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and then hit that little notify me button right here, right on the live. Okay. That will work on any device. Trust me, it's there. Okay. Then you will be 100% sure that you know. Okay. Anybody, any country can get on the live. Okay. That is it, my friends. I want you to be prepared. I want you to be excited, fired up. I want to help you make sales. Okay. That's exactly what we're going to be doing Friday at midnight. This is your time, my friend. This is your moment right now. These moments do not come around all the time. There's a lot of hype and fluff about companies launching. They're here today, gone tomorrow. I mean, we've seen them over the years. It's unfortunate too, and I'm gonna throw some shade out there right now. Okay, I've seen a lot of marketers that I've followed over the years, and in the last 5 years, they're probably promoting their 57th offer, and I've been with myEcon since 2018. Okay, and I've done other things, but honestly, I try to stick with one thing. I try to stick with one thing, and it's just proven over time that that's what creates true residual income, being in it to win it for the long haul and not being an opportunity junkie and jumping from one thing to the next, to the next, to the next, to the next, constantly chasing the shiny object and pulling your subscribers into the next thing and the next thing and the next thing. And next thing you know, you have a trail of dead bodies behind you. There's something to be said about being loyal and being in it to win it for the long haul. And I hope you understand that. Okay. So this is not something that you see every day, this launch. This is not just any other launch, my friends. This is literally 20 years in the making. This is going to help a lot of people make a lot of money. So please understand that. Please hear me out on that. Okay. And I'm going to be helping you do that live at midnight on Friday. Can't freaking wait, man. I can't wait to help you win. You guys know exactly what to do. Links in the description down below. Do that thing, and I will see you guys live in just a couple of days.